Hello and welcome to Best Online Tutorials. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add a video to a Canva project. For this video we are going to use Instagram story as our example. Let's create a blank Instagram story. And there are two methods you can do to import a video to your Instagram story template. Method number one, you can go to Elements and then scroll down to Videos. And here is a lot of free stock videos integrated in Canva. There are also some paid ones. If you want to have access to the paid ones, I have a link down in the description and you get a 30-day free trial to Canva Pro. The other method you can use to upload a video to Canva is to go to Upload, and then you go to Videos, and then go to the folder you have the video, and then you just drag it into Canva, and when it's uploaded you can drag it to the template and then make it fit the screen. And as you can see, that's how you import a video to a Canva template. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video.